Hello everyone, in this video we will learn switch between the workbook using the view tab. So let's start. So here you can see in this my laptop have a three workbook is open. When I keep cursor on Excel icon, you can see the three Excel workbook is showing. The first is Excel tutorial, second is a purchase data and third is a sales data. So to switch the any workbook, you can use the view tabs. Just go to the view tab, okay? And here you can see have open option switch window. Simply click on this drop down arrow. When you click on this drop down arrow, you can see the list of Excel file those are open in your laptop. Okay. So these are three Excel files open in my laptop. If you want to open the purchase data, I click on purchase data. You can see it's quickly switch the window. Again, I click on the switch window and click on the sales data. Okay. So this is a way you can quickly open the another workbook on working on the one Excel file. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.